Good.
Welcome to Making Words today. You're going to need these letters, E, N, P, S, T, and if you don't have them, you can write them on a piece of paper and cut them out.
Awesome. Let's first start with the sounds of our letters. The letter E has 2 sounds. Let's go ahead and say our sounds. Ready? E, N, st. Great. Go ahead and get those letters ready so we can do our making words. Okay. We are going to do lots of words, say, with the short vowel E sound that says eh, like egg. We're going to start with a 3-letter word, pen. Pen. I lost my favorite pen. Go ahead and write that word down. Write that word down on your piece of paper, please. If I didn't say it before, we all need to have a piece of paper we're writing our words down.
Pencil.
Because then we'll cut the words out and we'll make a sort with these words. So if you haven't already, please write the word pen down on a piece of paper. Thank you. Number 2, change one letter in pen to spell 10. I have 10 fingers. 10. Go ahead.
Why is it like that?
10. Let's hear you.
10.
Write that word down, 10. Number 3. Move the letters around in 10 to spell net. I used a net to catch the fish. Net. Net. Whoopsie. The next word. Change the first letter in net to make pet. We have a pet fish at our house. Pet.
I wish I had a dog.
Yeah. Write that word pet down on your piece of paper. Andrina, I don't think you have pet written down. Write that down. Add a letter to pet to spell pest. Pest. Sometimes our fish is a pest.
Yeah, it doesn't eat my food I give him.
That means to be a bother.
I give her.
Let's stretch that word out to see where that S goes.
Our fish makes a mean
Est. Let's stretch that word out. Est. Do the move the letters around trick to turn pest into pets. This means more than one. We have more than one pet, so we say pets. The 2 dogs are our pets. Here we go. Change the first letter to spell nets. Net. We made net before, so now you can make nets. Change the first letter to make nets. People catch butterflies in nets. Okay, write that word nets down. Change the letters around in nets. Kind of move them around. Now to spell nest. The robin laid her egg in her nest.
Wait, this nest?
No, it's not.
Nest.
Okay, we're going to move the letters around in nest to make scent. Scent. I sent a present to my friend. Scent. What do you hear first? And oh, that's it. That's all you have to do. And write that down. Okay. We are at our last word. This is our secret word, which means we see that little P up there somewhere. Somehow we have to fit that P into this word. So go ahead and move that P in there into different spots and see, just wait, Eliana, where it could go. Trina, you got it first too. Okay, let's say the word. 1, 2, 3.
Spent!
Spent! I spent all my money on the present. Spent. Write that word down.
All my money on root beer. That's a dream.
Okay, everyone at home and us here, please cut out those words because next we're going to do our sort.
Yay!
The next part of our lesson is we like to read our words and then we're going to sort them. And today we're going to sort them by the first letter or the first sound that you hear in the beginning. So let's start by reading the words and the whole time be thinking, how could this go together? What do I notice about the beginnings of these words? Ready? Can you point to the word as you read it? Scent, nest, nets, spent, 10, pest, net, pet, pets, pen. Okay, Adrina's going to stand up. She's going to sort our words on the first letter, and at home you go ahead and do the same thing by the first letter. Okay, here we go. Adrina, read us our words. So those all say all right.
Pet, pen, pens, pen, pets. Pest,
Okay, so those all have the P sound. And the T sound, there's only one, right? T. Okay.
Spent,
That's right, sent. I sent a present. Okay, the last part of our lesson today is we're going to choose one word and we'll use that word in a sentence. If you're at home, you could say your sentence to someone at your house. You could even write it down. That's what we're going to do. We're going to write our word down. So Drina, can you pick out a word from that sort? And at home, can you find a word from your sort, please, that you want to use? If you want to challenge yourself, go ahead, Drina, find a word. If you want to challenge yourself, you can write 2 words or 3 words in a sentence. Good. Can we hear you as you do this?
I sent my fur and friend
You said a present.
a present.
Okay, let's stretch that word out. And
present.
okay, this has the N, just like sent. E-N, E-N, goes at the end of your sentence. Good. Let's take a look at this friend. It's actually F-R-I.
F-R-I.
There you go.
Bye. Take a picture of your sentence and post it so we can read it. Bye-bye.